A simple morning at home. I wake up in the morning. The room is quiet. I open my eyes and look at the clock. It is 7 o'clock. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. I feel a little sleepy, but okay. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light and look in the mirror. First, I brush my teeth. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I rinse my mouth with water. Then, I wash my face. The water is cold and it helps me wake up. After that, I take a shower. The water is warm. I feel relaxed. I wash my hair and my body. I stand under the water for a moment and breathe. When I finish, I dry myself with a towel. I put on clean clothes. Now I am ready for breakfast. I walk to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet and clean. I make coffee. I boil water and pour it into a cup. The smells of coffee fills the room. I also prepare breakfast. I take bread from the cabinet. I put butter on the bread. I cut a banana and put it on a plate. I also have an apple. Sometimes I eat eggs. Today I make one fried egg. I sit at the table with my coffee and food. I eat slowly. I look out the window while I eat. The day is starting. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I clean the cup, the plate, and the pan. I dry my hands and turn off the light in the kitchen. My morning at home is simple, but it helps me start the day calm and ready.